looking at it like, y'all. Welcome back, family. This was a highly requested video, so I'm gonna jump right into it, okay? This is the Cardi B inspired avocado hair mask. So for starters, y'all, opening an avocado, cutting open an avocado is so difficult. I'm not gonna hold you, it was not easy. I had to find my way. So word of advice, grab you a spoon and literally scoop it. Like scoop the whole avocado out from the freaking skin. Mine was coming out in chunks, but it's okay. Just take your time, peel what you gotta peel back, and scoop what you gotta scoop out. And then that last chunk, it literally all came out in one. And I was so happy. But before we get deeper into this video, I need everybody to like the video. Drop a little comment down there. Let me know what you like and what you don't like and all that. And then subscribe. Join the family. Okay, we a big family here. And I got more in store for y'all. Pour your avocados in there. You want to mush it up. I take my spoon and just mush it up because you really don't want it to be chunky. If it's chunky and when you put it in your hair it's chunky still, them chunks is gonna be stuck in your hair. Like that shit be hard to get out. I'm not even gonna hold you. So make sure you and use a good spoon. Don't use a plastic spoon like me because it might break. But if you have like an amazing blender, you ain't gotta worry about that. I don't have an amazing blender, so I gotta do what I have to scissor. Add your eggs. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Olive oil. Personality. Everything you do. It's me love. Everything about you. I'm gonna get another spoon and add you some mayonnaise. Some coconut oil. Castor oil. Add you some honey. And last, you're gonna add you a little bit of this. Let's do the trick. And then you're gonna mix all that up. If you have a good blender, you could skip this step. I cannot skip this step. Now, once you get it mixed up real good, real nice, this is how it should look. This is how I like it to look before I go ahead and put it in the blender. I'm going to go ahead and add the contents to the blender. No product left behind, y'all. Yes, sir. Pop that on the top. And then we're gonna get to blending. See what I mean, y'all? Mine get to tripping, yo. I need a new blender ASAP. Oh, shit. I'll open it. Okay. Get a little mix on. And we're gonna do it one more again. So, this is what it should look like. Real nice and blended. And we are just going to pour that back right in this place. So once you're looking like this, then you are ready to begin. Alright y'all, so this is what my hair looks like fresh out of a ponytail. It really just been in the ponytail. So I'm gonna go ahead and detangle it. Now, when you're dealing with thick hair like ours, you know what I'm saying, you don't want to detangle it dry. You want to use some type of detangler. There's a lot of detangling sprays. I'm just going to use water, the trusty dusty water. And yeah, I'm just going to spray it on my hair before I go in and detangle. You don't have to like drench it, but just get it a little wet.
A little wet.
So yeah, these two are my best friends when it comes down to detangling. I'm really gonna use this when I put the avocado mask in my hair to make sure I'm fully saturating it. But right now, I'm just going to part it in 4 sections. And it don't have to be even. You're just doing this to work in sections. You always want to work in sections when you have a lot of hair. Because if we can get frustrated, we get frustrated really, really easily. Let me grab a scrunchie. Yeah, once we frustrated, everything else be out the window. So, go ahead and finish section. Another detangle tip. When you're detangling, you always want to start at the bottom. And have like a nice grip in the middle of your hair. Always start at the bottom and work your way up. Now, because I washed my hair a couple days ago and kept it in these twists, it's not really tangled. And I also used the water. So, you know. I'm going to detangle a section and then I'm going to just go ahead and put the mask in there as I detangle that section. So, literally just scoop some up, scoop some in your hand, just put it on there. Fully saturate your whole head. This is a chunk of coconut oil. All right, y'all, so here I just added a clip of the first time that I did the avocado wash. And as you can see, my hair was pretty damp. So it was definitely curling up and giving that juicy feeling that I wanted it to give this time. So pay attention to my disclaimer. Separate it. Fully saturate your hair strands with it. Now I'm going to go in with my detangle brush and start at the end. Just comb it all through. Take a little more. You really want to get the whole section saturated. Detangle. Apply it all over just like you did the front. Make sure you get in your ends. Go see what's dry. I'm not gonna hold y'all. This stuff really, really stinks. It smells like everything in your kitchen. Look at just the different textures of our hair. Like, look at the different forms our hair can be in. This is just its regular, dry, natural state. It's giving puff. And then this side is the wet, stuck to your face, stuck to your scalp ass look that I can't stand. But it's like, look at how our hair just is so beautiful. It just do its own thing. Love it, love it. I be having to break it into sections and do it that way because I really want to make sure I'm saturating the whole section. Hands is mad green. I just dyed my hair. Okay, last section. Get close so y'all can see what it's doing to my roots. It's curling up. It's giving luster, shine. It's the shine for me. So, feeling like it's pretty saturated at this point. Just wrap that up. Get a shower cap. Shower cap. After about an hour, I washed the mask out with just some warm water and followed up with Camille Rose Fresh Honey Nectar Deep Conditioning Treatment. I love Camille Rose products, and I just wanted to give my hair that extra oomph because I know that avocado mask already did its thing. Like, look at the shine, y'all. Look at my curls. It's giving definition. It's giving mamacita. It's giving, look at the background. I'm on the tropics. That's what it's giving. Like, I love how this mask restores my natural curly hair. Like, I had to give y'all a second to just get into it, but make sure that you fully wash the avocado mask out of your hair before you put any other products in there. Next, I follow up with my Queen's Elegance Seal It Oil. Y'all, this oil is thebomb.com. This oil literally locks the moisture into your hair, which prevents your hair from getting dry and brittle, which also causes breakage. You know, the girls don't need that. I'm restocking everything Friday the 26th, so make sure y'all go on my website and grab that. I'm probably going to link it in the description box below, but make sure y'all check that out. For all my natural hair girlies, this next step is for you, okay? We love a twist out. So I wanted to see what my hair would look like if I just put it in some twists and let it dry overnight in the twist. Hoping that when I take it out the next morning that my twist would give and I could potentially just wear that hairstyle. But let's stay tuned and see how these twists look once I take them out the next day. Alright y'all, so I just wanted to come back and show y'all how my hair looks when it's dry. I put the twisties in there last night and this is what we're working with. And I like how tamed my twist looks. So I'm gonna take my twist out. We're gonna see what that looks like. And also now I have the camera facing me, so I don't know what this looks like. I don't know what it looked like, but it feels so soft. It's so soft. I feel like this might be a style I could wear. Hopefully it's not no twisted sticking up to the outside. How we looking, y'all? I ain't looked yet. I can't look till I'm absolutely done. How are we looking? I'm like cheap. Okay, y'all. So it really did have potential. It had potential, but I feel like I'm about to blow this out. Give it a nice little flat iron. I want to see what my hair looks like first. So I'm about to blow it out, press it, and I'll be right back there. I just had to show y'all what we look like blown out, okay? Look at this. Look at this. It's giving. Let me go straight and then let me go flat iron this shit. Y'all, I am speechless. Look at his hair. Hold on, let me comb it. Let me comb it so y'all can see. Y'all can see what it's really giving. Hold on. Look. Y'all, it is the shine. It is the luster, the movement. My hair's so soft. I'm in love. I am literally in love. So y'all, this is what my hair is looking like. Fresh flat iron. It don't got no product. Actually, I'm lying. I have my own. I actually have my Queen's Elegance Silkening Mist. Let y'all get into that. And just so y'all know, my products is restocking Friday the 26th, which is next week. So right here is a video of when I first did the avocado wash a couple months ago. When I first cut my hair, I cut my hair like this freaking short, y'all. It was so short. And literally all I have been doing is doing these avocado washes and using my products. My Queen's Elegance products is the truth. Look at how long my hair is. I started here. Now, I don't want y'all to chew me up in the comments because I know Cardi B did not start this, you know, avocado hair mask, but she did make it trending. So shout out to my sis for putting the girlies on, because look, we is out here flourishing. Look at my hair. Yeah, I am hype. Look at my hair. This is all me. All me. This is what dedication does for you, okay? So if you're like me and you've been seeing everybody doing this avocado wash, avocado mask, and you like, oh, I want to try it, just try it. Just try it, because you are not going to be disappointed. Like, look, my hair is just so full of luster. It's so strong. It used to be just breaking off. Now I could comb it and look at the comb and be confident because ain't no hair in there. Get into it, y'all. Get into it. Now, if you stayed to the end, shout out to you because you're my girl. And you have just earned yourself a discount code for our product drop, okay? You can use code RESTOCK23 and get yourself 10% off your first order. Okay, boom, just for staying here, just for staying to the end, because you was rocking with me. And if you like this video, I need you to hit the like button. I need you to subscribe, join the family, hello, because I definitely have so much more videos coming for y'all. I just keep looking at my hair. I know y'all looking at it like, I just keep looking at it like, y'all. I'm too hyped. But thank y'all for watching. That concludes the video. Try this mask. Leave a comment. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know if you didn't like it, what you liked about it. And let me know what else y'all want to see, because I'm here for the girls. Okay? Thanks for tuning in. See y'all later.